Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the access point model and firmware because the procedure varies by vendor, and that affects commands. Once done, connect via Ethernet or SSH to avoid hitting the wireless association limit while you work. Make sure you have admin credentials and note the current client count and association table entries so you can verify the change. If you can, put the AP into maintenance mode or disable SSIDs briefly to prevent new clients joining while you clear associations. Now you remove the excess associations. First list current clients and identify stale MACs or long idle sessions that justify removal. Then run the vendor-specific command. Examples include clear clients, clear association table, or delete station commands, because that immediately frees slots. If the AP enforces a hard client limit, temporarily raise the limit in config or disable radios while you purge entries. This prevents churn and allows controlled reconnection. Make sure to monitor logs to confirm successful removals and no unexpected errors. Finish by verifying that the association count dropped and that new connections succeed. You should watch for authentication failures or DHCP exhaustion that can mimic a full AP. Once satisfied, re-enable SSIDs or radios and ensure critical clients reconnect. If the AP still reports full, perform a controlled reboot and check for known firmware bugs or memory leaks. Clearing cached DHCP leases or radius sessions can also help. A single key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, upgrade firmware and replicate the issue with a minimal client set to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.